Have you ever found a place so magical it feels like time stands still? Welcome to Temata Peak, the crown jewel of Hawke's Bay region where every step tells a story. Hey guys, it's Luigi from the Pinoy Traveler in New Zealand, and today we're taking you to one of the most iconic spots in Hawke's Bay, the Temata Peak. Standing 399 meters high, Temata Peak gives you a panoramic view of the Heretaonga Plains, Napier, Hastings, and Cape Kidnappers. Whether you're up for a walk, a scenic drive, or some mountain biking, there's something for everyone here. This view? Absolutely next level. From up here at Temata Peak, the world feels wide open. You've got endless green plains stretching out to the horizons, vineyards rolling like waves, and the oceans shimmering in the distance. Turn around and you'll see the rugged cliffs drop dramatically behind you. It's peaceful, powerful, and absolutely breathtaking. Honestly, it's the kind of view that makes you stop, breathe deep, and just feel grateful to be here. You really feel the vastness of Hawke's Bay from up here. Perfect way to spend a lazy afternoon, fresh air, amazing views, and great company. Temata Peak isn't just a lookout, it's a slice of nature, culture, and local pride rolled into one. If you're in Hawke's Bay, you have to check out Temata Peak. Thanks for joining us today. For more videos about New Zealand, don't forget to follow for more.